Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is an overview of the website we have just finished. It was website redesigned for business called Express Mapping. They are based in California and their target location is California property buyers. They are selling radius maps, property affidavits, and similar documentations. They are selling it online. Their main unique selling points is 20 years of expertise, the fact that they display all the prices online, and the fact that they are selling the product online so people can order them, and also the fact that they offer next day delivery. So all of these elements they wanted to emphasize on the website, and we help them do that. So basically the website received a more bolder look because before the redesign the website had just the search bar on the home page and I believe the contact form, so there was no design elements. We helped to include them obviously within the website colors as already featured in the logo. So this yellow and navy blue, we added featured image showing the properties. The image is sourced on Adobe stock, so obviously it is premium image, royalty free, and it has tagline with the target product clearly displayed here. So when someone visits here, visits the website, they know right away what to expect. Also, the main selling points are emphasized here as well: order online and clear pricing, linking to the relevant pages as well. And the search function is very important in this particular niche. People who search for products search for very, very, very specific product. They don't come to browse, they don't come to shop around, they shop for very specific location, very specific property, affidavit documents that they are being told they need by the local authority. So that's why finding this, having rich self-populating and auto suggest search bar was priority. So if you can see it in action, obviously you can highlight the if you hover over the list of products, the products are listed next to it and you can go and buy them right away, which is absolutely amazing. Also, the next day delivery was very important, so you can see the message on the product page is being unique for every it changes every day because it's active. So today is 18th of October, and obviously it changes that this package can be received between 25th and 27th. So this is obviously important for someone who is about to place an order. Another great feature was the chat app. We recommended adding this particular chat because it can be customized to be displayed only when the owners are within the office, when they are able to answer the queries. That's why they didn't want to leave the questions unanswered or customers waiting a long time for the answer. So if the owners are not available to answer the queries, this chat app disappears. So obviously it only is visible within the certain times of day. This is a list of the collections. The collections have designed images. All of the collections have assigned images. So if the owners wanted to swap the collections around on a home page, the new collections would still have the relevant images displayed. Highlighting unique selling points a little bit further here. So if you hover, you can see more details. So notification pattern packages, which are here, fast and accurate, what is the selling point they offer, and obviously same-day delivery service available at an extra cost, but it's obviously available, which is important for the buyers in rush. And obviously 20 years of experience is also displayed here. So this is a team. Obviously this is a stock photo, royalty-free photo, but this is something the owners want to highlight on 20 years of experience as well. And these are the sliding images, which are the testimonials, obviously testimonials of the previous customers as well. And the contact form with those specific details, asking for additional elements such as property, address, IP, and radius, distance, and those extra elements was very important for the store owners, for the business owners, because they wanted to have more details in order to process the inquiries more efficiently. So adding this kind of more specific form was very important to them as well. And also the services we provide, we added the list of services and jurisdictions covered as well. So everything, this is all also searchable, because the search bar is inserted, custom search bar is inserted on the collections list, and on the individual collection list it disappears on any other content of the website. So this is a custom feature that was implemented by our team. When it comes to the product page design, as you can see, all of those key elements that speed up the ordering process are displayed high on the page, which means they improve the conversion rate, because the add to cart, all of the variants are displayed high on the page, the price, the title, the images, and all of the supporting elements such as product descriptions are displayed below. So this is also a custom feature. It was not like that before we started the project. Before the project, the product description was first and then add to cart was at the bottom of the page. So obviously it was a little bit complicated for visitors to place an order. They would have to scroll all the way down on each page of the new product they viewed in order to find the details, the variants, and the add to cart button. Additionally, all of the website was optimized for the SEO, for the search engines, using local SEO rules, meaning that all of the images, keywords used are specific for images are geotagged with California or specific county locations. Keywords are searched for by specifying the results or the search phrases used by people located in the California area, which means that it improves the chances of this website being visible in California, which is the target location for the business owners. The About Us page was also optimized. Originally, it featured a huge promo image at the top, meaning the text was pushed below the above the fold area and out of the view. So the image was custom coded within the page template, so we had to change the template, but obviously it was just a quick fix, and the whole website content is now displayed above the fold. So the whole project took less than 14 working days, and our customers really happy. They left 5-star review on our Trustpilot profile. And this redesigned package also comes with 6 months free maintenance for any elements that need updating on a website. So if you have a website redesign coming up, if you would like to have a similar branding redesign, website redesign, and conversion optimization, you can order a full redesign with me today. I offer either one-off packages or monthly packages based on a 10 months contract. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.